Welcome to the 33rd edition of Anish News Capsule. This is me, Isha Sudhir from CEC second year.
This is Veda Varshita from MEC second year.
Gold prices fall. Gold and silver prices on Friday edged lower in India after they witnessed a steep rise over the past few days. On the multi-commodity exchange, gold future were down 0.1% to rupees 46,793 per 10 grams, while silver prices dropped 0.4% to rupees 67,240. The gold prices had risen over rupees 1,000 per gram in the previous two sessions.
Indian Railway flags of Hansida-Godda line in Jharkhand. With the swift pace of transportation of goods, the railway line will provide a boost to socio-economic growth of Dumka and Godda region in the state of Jharkhand. Indian Railways authorities dedicated the new Hansida-Godda rail line in Jharkhand and also flagged off Godda-New Delhi Humsafar special train. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal flagged off the projects through video conferencing on Thursday, April 8, along with Railway Board Chairman Suneet Sharma. The new railway line will boost the transportation facility along the network and will be cost effective for faster movement of commodities. According to the Railway Minister, the new project attracted an investment of Rs 550 crores so far.
Asian Development Bank approves rupees 3,533 crores loan from Tamil Nadu Industrial Corridor. In a big infrastructural boost for the Tamil Nadu Industrial Corridor, Asian Development Bank approved a loan worth rupees 3,533 crores for the improvement of transport connectivity and road maintenance. The funds from the loan approved by Asian Development Bank will be utilized for the development of the Chennai-Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor or the CKIC in Tamil Nadu. The Industrial Corridor project is a part of country's East Coast Economic Corridor that spans between West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. The corridor connects the country to the production networks of the Southeast as well as the East Asia.
Passenger vehicle registrations rise 28% in March, says industry body. Registration of passenger vehicles rose by 28.39% in March 2021 from the same month last year, and tractor registrations advanced by 29.21% on low base last year. Industry body Federation of Automobile Dealers Association said in press release. However, overall auto registrations fell by 28.64% year on year, but grew 10.5% on per monthly basis. On an annual basis, two-wheeler, three-wheeler and commercial vehicle unrelentingly fell by 35.26%, 50.72% and 42.42% respectively.
Johnson & Johnson set to begin Indian trial of its single-shot vaccine. Johnson & Johnson has told Indian regulators that it will be soon begin clinical trials of its single-shot COVID-19 vaccine in the country. The Indian Express newspapers reported it on Friday.
Rupee slips for fourth straight session, down 11 paise at 74.58 against USD. This is the fourth straight session of loss of the domestic unit, during which it has seen depreciation of 146 paise. The rupee finally ended at 74.58 against the American currency, registering a fall of 11 paise over its previous closing of 74.47. The rupee fell for the fourth straight session and settled 11 paise down at 74.58 against the US dollar on Thursday amid fears that a rapid resurgence of COVID cases in the country can disrupt economic recovery.
Equity mutual funds see net inflows after 8 months as tide turns. Close-ended equity schemes, however, saw net outflows of Rs 1,739 crores due to maturing of close-ended schemes. Data released by Associations of Mutual Funds of India showed. SIP is an investment plan offered by mutual funds wherein one can invest fixed amount. After 8 months of net outflow, equity mutual funds attracted net inflows of Rs 7,376 crores in March, with all categories of open-ended funds bearing multi-cap, valued and contra funds reporting inflows. Closed-ended equity schemes, however, saw net outflows of Rs 1,739 crores due to maturing of closed-ended schemes. Data released by Association of Mutual Funds of India showed out of the total net inflows, systematic investment plans accounted for Rs 9,182 crores in March, a substantial jump over February's Rs 7,528 crores.
Sensex drops over 150 points in early trade. Nifty below 14,850 level. The 30-share BSE index was trading 186.94 points or 0.38% lower at 49,559.27. Similarly, the broader NSE Nifty slipped 44.10 points or 0.30% to 14,829.70. Equity benchmark Sensex dropped over 150 points in early trade on Friday, tracking losses in index heavyweights HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries amid largely negative cues from global markets.